All right. This is a product that I built that helps businesses manage their client reviews and their complaints as well automatically. It's an AI agent that just manages all that and also sends emails to the sales rep and back to the client. Mostly the emails that come to the sales rep are mostly emails that are actually the bad ones, the complaints. So it actually collects that, and then after that, it sends it to the customer representative or the managing director, telling them that, oh, there's a bad complaint. Now, this was actually done using sentiment analysis, and I'm going to show you guys how this actually works. So first of all, there's a form here. So first of all, we start by filling out the form, but before that, I'll go into the N8n workflow, and I'm going to make sure that it starts listening. So this is the workflow. So I come here, I click execute workflow. So this is where the webhook is going to start listening from. So as you can see, the webhook has started listening. Okay, so I come to the form, and then I then fill the form. So I put here that my name is Justin. My name is Justin. And that my email is Yeduwa, okay. And then I have um, a 5-star rating, and I'm like, I love the service they gave me. And then I gave them a 10-star rating, okay. So I come and submit it. So after submitting it, as you can see from here, it accepts everything. It has now shown us the data that it's collected and then the ones that it has accepted. So now we have a block that actually talks about sentiment analysis, what is a prompt for the AI agent to actually like take that in and now process it. So we told it to classify the following customer feedback as positive or negative. So now it has classified this as a positive feedback. All right. So this actually shows that okay, yeah, it actually knows that this is a positive feedback. So now the AI agent, what it now does is that that generates an automatic response to the client or customer saying that's wonderful to hear, thank you for sharing your positive feedback. It doesn't need to take time, it doesn't need to like wait, it doesn't need to like take a long time, it doesn't need to like have like much time, it doesn't need to like, it just does everything at once and like very very fast. Okay, so now after that, it then comes here and then sends to the Gmail. After sending to the Gmail, it then sends everything down to a Google Sheet. So this is the review sheet. So now if you come to the Google Sheet, you see here, I love the service they gave me. It has the 10, the customer recommend 10, the review type positive, and the AI response that was given. Because now the reason why I added the AI response that should be given, why I should send back the AI response that was given was because some of, if as a managing director, you're now opening the Google Sheet, you want to know, what did this AI actually tell this customer? Because if the AI didn't tell the customer the right thing, or more, you don't enter. Oh, all right. So that's why we did that. Okay. So now we've done that. Now we are going to test it now on a bad review and actually see how that works. Okay. So now we are actually done with actually seeing how it manages or like actually like responds to a good review. So now let's actually see how it responds to a bad review that is given in the form. So now we come back here again. I'll execute the workflow, um, and then I'm to fill the form again. So when I come here, okay, this is the webhook. So when I come here to customer feedback, I'll then fill in the form again. Let me say my name is Sasha. Sasha. I'll still use the same email address. I then put here because I'm a very very unsatisfied customer. So I'll then put here I'll give it 1-star rating, and then I say the land scraper did a terrible job. A terrible job. He came late, and still demanded more on pricing. All right. So now, would you recommend this service? And the person then puts here a one, a 1-star. No, I won't even recommend this service to anybody. All right. So and then we then click submit. From here now, the webhook then takes everything in, the data that's collected from the form, and now let's see what actually the AI actually says. Okay, so now as you can see, it conducts sentiment analysis first. Always conduct a sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis is actually like put it, okay, let's separate which one is actually positive, which one is actually negative. So with the prompt that's being there, which is actually these products can help to improve your business. So let's see what it actually says. So it says negative. Wow. So this is something you actually need for your business. All right. So now we then go to response generation. So now let's see what it generates for response. Thank you for letting us know about your experience. We are sorry to hear there were issues regarding the service timing and pricing with the landscaper. And then if the customer service actually sees this, they can now go in depth into it. You get, it's okay. Customer service, AI is not going to replace your job. It's just going to help you. Now look at this. It's actually helped to give a response. You that is out there with your girl or anybody like having vacation or maybe doing something might not even see this message. But AI saw it first, replied, and then sent you a message. Because now it's going to get a message that, oh, this is the response, all right? So now let's go to the Google Sheet and see what's actually the response. Okay, you can see from here negative. Thank you for letting them know. It also shows you the response that was given. And you can also be like, okay, should I follow up on the response that AI give, or should I not follow up on the response that the AI gave? Because if it was a closed, that is an open-ended. Because now you can't actually just say that. You actually have to like affirm, okay, look, we'll look into it. You get, so that's just it. So now the problem that is actually the reason what better this project was that I went to a particular company and I actually saw that they had a 1-star review, and I actually put myself in the shoes of this company. I asked myself if to say I wanted to like if I wanted to patronize a landscaping company, okay? If I wanted to patronize a landscaping company and I saw this company, like with this 1-star review that this person added here on the company site, would I actually patronize this company? The answer is obviously no. I won't actually patronize them. Same thing with your business. If you are actually running a business, like see, I never post bad reviews, but I felt that, and I spoke to a particular company, and they say that some comments are mostly emotional than factual. But the question is that aren't you trying to satisfy your business emotionally? If you come to think about it, you're actually trying to satisfy your business emotionally and not factual, because like come on, your clients, it's how your clients feel that matters. So with this product you can actually help your clients to feel much more better, help them to feel listened or heard, or like help them to like understand that they have a company that they're working with that doesn't just want to do the job for money, but they're doing the job to like actually know that you want them to feel better. Okay. So if you like this product and you actually want to get this implemented with your business, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, send me an email down below, follow my LinkedIn or connect with me, and yeah, let's get this set up for your business. Thank you for watching.